Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here tonight. Hey folks, tonight I want to talk to you about a new series that we're starting here on the MintHillBilly channel. It's going to be called Money Mondays, okay? Now folks, if you've been watching my channel, you know that we are basically a how-to or DIY automotive repair, home improvement. Also, I pick up my guitar from time to time and play you a song or two. And what I want to do is expand to another subject that we can make some videos about your money, okay? About how to save your money, how to pay off some debt, how to invest your money. So we're gonna maybe do that once a week where we make a video and we talk about different topics, okay? And hopefully these videos can help some people out there that maybe have problems with saving money or budgeting their money, and we'll be able to actually add some helpful advice for those people, friends. I want to also, while I'm here tonight, I haven't actually spoke directly to my subscribers in quite some time. I think we have about 35,000 subscribers now, and I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to this channel. And I hope that I've been able to share some wisdom over the years and help you with some of your DIY projects. And now, as we venture into something new, I hope that hopefully I can give you some tips on how to maybe keep a little bit more of your money in your savings account or your brokerage account. Friends, we are excited about this new thing that we're doing, and we will have a link down below to a brokerage account that I am an affiliate for. It's called M1 Finance. There will be a link down below. If you would like to sign up, you can. And also on this video here, I'm going to tag a couple books off of Amazon. Maybe Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover, and I believe it's Thomas Stanley's Millionaire Mindset, and also The Millionaire Next Door. I think those are some great books to read. And also we have a link to a great brokerage account that we will be discussing a lot more about, and that's M1 Finance. So friends, thank you for being here for our very first, I guess I will actually release this one tomorrow on Monday. This will be the first Money Monday video. And I hope you'll join us each week or keep a lookout for it and be a part of this with us. Have a great day or have a great night, and we'll see you next time. Take care.